First listen, then listen and read. I'm still thinking about it. I'm still thinking about it. Do you always get up early? Do you always get up early? I work 5 days a week, Monday to Friday. I work 5 days a week, Monday to Friday. When is your birthday? When is your birthday? My birthday is on the 23rd of May. My birthday is on the 23rd of May. I don't know your phone number. I don't know your phone number. You are late for work again. You are late for work again. I'm allergic to nuts. I'm allergic to nuts. Are you ready to start? Are you ready to start? Rose hates pop music. Rose hates pop music. What do you do in your spare time? What do you do in your spare time? I love watching romantic films. I love watching romantic films. Matt is very good at swimming. Matt is very good at swimming. It's a beautiful morning. It's a beautiful morning. It will be sunny all week. It will be sunny all week. I don't like the weather here. I don't like the weather here. Winter is usually cold. Winter is usually cold. It's wet and grey in November. It's wet and grey in November. What is your favourite season? What is your favourite season? This old car is Paul's. This old car is Paul's. Lucy is a friend of mine. Lucy is a friend of mine. How long does the film last? How long does the film last? I don't like my job. It's boring. I don't like my job. It's boring. That's a very beautiful place. That's a very beautiful place. Where's Martin? Where's Martin? It's not true. It's not true. I don't believe it. I don't believe it. Tom is a vegetarian. Tom is a vegetarian. The dishwasher doesn't work. The dishwasher doesn't work. John's favourite drink is tea. John's favourite drink is tea. My parents work too hard. My parents work too hard. I don't watch telly very often. I don't watch telly very often. Nobody helped me. Nobody helped me. The radio is too loud. The radio is too loud. It's getting late. It's getting late. My sister is not going out. My sister is not going out. Can you turn the music down? Can you turn the music down? The room is dark and cold. The room is dark and cold. She's driving too fast. She's driving too fast. Don't phone Anne now. It's too late. Don't phone Anne now. It's too late. These shoes are too expensive. These shoes are too expensive. I need a new pair of jeans. I need a new pair of jeans. Jill has 2 younger brothers. Jill has 2 younger brothers. A lot of people speak Spanish. A lot of people speak Spanish. Mark is a tall and good-looking young man. Mark is a tall and good-looking young man. This skirt is so pretty. This skirt is so pretty. Give it to me. Give it to me. People are very friendly in the village. People are very friendly in the village. Are you from Germany? Are you from Germany? It's a nice place. It's a nice place. Paris is an interesting city. Paris is an interesting city. Peter and Mary have 2 children. Peter and Mary have 2 children. What does your brother do? What does your brother do? Are you looking for a job? Are you looking for a job? Bob finishes work at 5 every day. Bob finishes work at 5 every day. You look very tired. You look very tired. I'm ready for the holidays. I'm ready for the holidays. Do you fancy a cup of tea? Do you fancy a cup of tea? My younger sister is only 17. My younger sister is only 17. What time is lunch? What time is lunch? Breakfast is in half an hour. Breakfast is in half an hour. Hurry up, we are late. Hurry up, We are late. Turn on the light, please. Turn on the light, please. Canada is a big country. Canada is a big country. We live in an old house near the station. We live in an old house near the station. Do you live far from the city centre? Do you live far from the city centre? Don't forget to send me a postcard. Don't forget to send me a postcard. What's on the television tonight? What's on the television tonight? The plane will land in 20 minutes. The plane will land in 20 minutes. I don't mind hard work. I don't mind hard work. Eddie knows a lot about art. Eddie knows a lot about art. You should eat more fruit. You should eat more fruit. There is some butter in the fridge. There is some butter in the fridge. I hate swimming in cold water. I hate swimming in cold water. Whose bag is this? Whose bag is this? Vegetables are healthy. Vegetables are healthy. Sue doesn't feel well today. Sue doesn't feel well today. Mark has a cold. Mark has a cold. Jim was in hospital for 2 months. Jim was in hospital for 2 months. Mum is not well. She's in bed. Mum is not well. She's in bed. Some children don't like school. Some children don't like school. Gary is very bad at singing. Gary is very bad at singing. Geography was my favourite subject at school. Geography was my favourite subject at school. I'm tired. I'm going home. I'm tired. I'm going home. I never remember his name. I never remember his name. Aaron doesn't have any money. Aaron doesn't have any money. Can I ask a question? Can I ask a question? Can I borrow your pen, please? Can I borrow your pen, please? That's a good idea. That's a good idea. Let me think about it. Let me think about it. Come again tomorrow. Come again tomorrow. Is everything all right? Is everything all right? What time are you leaving? What time are you leaving? I love reading a lot. I love reading a lot. Purple is my favourite colour. Purple is my favourite colour. The bank is closed at the weekend. The bank is closed at the weekend. Can I have a statement, please? Can I have a statement, please? I'd like to cash a cheque. I'd like to cash a cheque. What did you say? What did you say? Can you repeat the question, please? Can you repeat the question, please?